Alright, here for another install. I'm going to be installing this light bar, tailgate light bar. It's a 60-inch triple red line with amber sequential turn signals, reverse light, the whole thing. I installed one on my Raptor, so now I'm going to install one on my dad's truck. It's a Super Duty. So, we'll also be installing, you have to buy this part with it. It's just extra wiring because on the Raptor, it said on the website it didn't work with Raptors, but I hardwired it into the tail lights and it works perfectly fine. So I'm going to do the same thing on my dad's truck. Rather than taking up the 4-pin, we're just going to hardwire it directly into the tail lights and just get it done that way. It's a lot easier if you just take the tailgate off. You do have to unplug quite a few things, but it's not too bad. You just pull it through this hole. You will have to take off this plastic piece with a T25, and then you'll have to take off this piece with the T40 star piece. But other than that, once you take that off, you can just put the light bar right here, and we'll have to get into the taillights and we'll go from there. Alright, got these off. The angle to get this stupid thing off ended up stripping this, but once you take it off, you don't need to put it back on. So yeah. So we're gonna clean this spot right here. I got some isopropyl alcohol. We're just gonna wipe that all down, and then we will open up the tail lights, and we'll have to put most of the wires on the driver's side and then one wire for this side, and I'll show you that here. This is my little man-made little map of everything, because there's multiple plugs on the tail lights, so it'll make sense here in a second. Alright, so this is the extra piece. You just plug it in, you know, 4-pin to 4-pin, self-explanatory. Alright, this is the light bar. It comes with this white wire. That's your reverse wire. So with these on the extra, I got it marked out. So the tail light has a top, middle, and bottom connector. This is the tail light. So you got your top one, your middle one, and your bottom. Don't mind the motorcycle crew that passes by every day. Alright. Most of them are going to go on the bottom connector. So the white wire on the extra wiring is actually your ground. The brown is your running light, parking light. The yellow is your driver's side turn signal. And then the green wire, you'll have to like split it. It will go to the passenger side for that turn signal. And then you use that one for the reverse. So all of them besides the green are going to the driver's side. Only the green is going to the passenger side. And if you're curious for which of these colors go with what, so the white ground wire goes with the black and white on the bottom connector. The brown go with the blue and white on the bottom connector. The yellow wire goes with the green and white on the bottom connector. The white reverse wire goes with the green and white in pin number 6 on the middle connector. And then the green on the passenger side goes in pin 3 with the yellow and violet. So that's kind of this in a nutshell. Nothing goes to the top connector, so only middle and bottom. So Feel free to look at this. I know it might be a little bit of a mess, but let's see, white to black and white. Brown to blue and white. Yellow to green and white. This one goes to green and white and pin 6 of the middle connector. I don't know if you can see, but there is numbers. There's a 5 here and then a 8 over here. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 is green and white. That's what we're putting in the reverse wire to. Got all of this wired up on the driver's side. Yes, I know it's a mess, but just tried it out. It works. So doesn't need to be super clean. I'm gonna get some electrical tape, wrap it up, make it look a little bit nicer, and kind of waterproof it. And then we'll go to the passenger side, do that last wire for the driver turn signal, and then we can put everything back on. We're done. Alright, now we're gonna clean this off with alcohol. The light bar did come with an alcohol wipe. I'm gonna clean it with isopropyl and the wipe just to make sure. This is also acts as a primer for the adhesive to stick better. Everything's working all good, so now I'm just gonna take this alcohol wipe, do one pass, and we're gonna stick it on there. Wow, that is very strong smelling. Oh, geez. Yeah. It smells like gasoline. Go ahead and do reverse. All right. Final test, just to make sure. There we go. Uh-oh. Something went wrong there. All right, I have to look at the right side. Turn it off. Right side, something happened. accessory. Works fine. Alright, I'll plug it in. Okay. Don't know what was going on. Yeah, that one's fine. Do hazards.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
There we go. Yep, everything's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, in case you wanted to mount it, you know, actual screw it down into the bumper, they give you these, but I didn't want to do that. I just stick it on.
But we've had no issues with your light bar with the sticky, so.
Yeah, with the one on my Raptor, it's been on for over a year now, and I haven't had an issue. So, all the lights work, so hasn't doled out. It's doing great.